Dear students, laughter is the food for our soul. ஆன்மாவிற்கு உணவு சிரிப்பு. The laughter increases the immune capacity of a human being. Laughter decreases the diseases. A child laughs 400 times per day, but a well grown up man laughs only 10 times a day. Laughter plays an important role. So here we have some of the jokes. Let us smile. Definition of love. What do you mean love? A boy says, love is like a cigarette. Love is like a cigarette. It starts with a fire, continues to smoke, and it ends with ashes. So, but I don't worry, I am a chain smoker. Wonderful laughter joke, isn't it? Please laugh, everybody. Is a laughter. A boy says, I am a chain smoker. He definitely defines about love. Love is something like a cigarette. It starts with a fire, continues with a fire, and ends with ashes. But he is not bothered because he is a chain smoker. Number second joke, sir. What is the difference between a superman and an ordinary man? A superman wears his underwear inside his pants. Is it so? No. Ordinary man wears his underwear inside his pant, but a superman wears it above, over the pant. This is the difference between a superman and an ordinary man. Now some of the jokes. See, even Sonia Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi, even though late Rajiv Gandhi, he was the Prime Minister of India. Sonia Gandhi, you know, she's a very powerful person in India. So generally there's a joke. Why did Rajiv Gandhi marry Sonia Gandhi? Because Rajiv Gandhi thought every Indians are brothers and sisters. So he is unable to find any Indian. So he has got Sonia Gandhi. I think even Rahul Gandhi is searching for a girl. Maybe we don't know whether he's going to marry an Indian or a foreigner. So next, the joke here is, it's some Tamil jokes. You know, language-oriented jokes are popular. Sardaji jokes, it's very, very popular, Sardaji jokes in Punjab. Here, Tamil jokes. What is the opposite of Gopala Krishnan? Gopala Krishnan. Opposite of Gopala Krishnan is Kampala Krishnan. Go and come. How do they start a road race in Tamil? Ready, steady. Instead of go, they say po. What did the Tamilians call the tall building of Japan? You know, Nikumo Nikado. How will Tamilians introduce the tennis superstar Lindell? Even Lindell. What is the opposite of Subramania Swami? Subramania saw me. Instead of that, Subramaniam did not see me. So joke is something quite interesting. When you keep laughing, your cells get more activated. Thousands of cells, you know. Whenever you get a sad, sad news, your entire cells will be in a state of, sadness. You go to a dead, some grieved family or some family where death has happened. 10 or 15 days or 20 days, you don't find any laughter over there. Straight opposite is the marriage place, a marriage house, newly married house, you go there, you find always laughter, happiness, joy and pleasure. So man's life is like that. It is a continuous process. Joy, happiness, laughter, sadness, disappointment, grief. So man always wants to be in the positive side, happiness side. He never wants to be in the grief side, but the fate, but irony. He has to meet both this and that. Both this and that. So laughter Do laughing exercise daily and develop your humorous skills.